everybody, welcome to the channel. And yes, in this video I'm going to be showing you a very basic guide of how to clean your PlayStation 5. Now I've had mine since launch day. I've taken the covers off once to install an upgraded solid state drive, but I'm going to take the covers off today and give it a quick dust because there's just a tiny bit of dust in there. So first off, if you actually have the vertical stand actually fitted to the machine, what you want to do, flat bladed screwdriver, and simply unscrew this screw and take the fascia plate off. One screw out, and these bits unclip from there. If you put the screw actually with the stand like so, there's little chance of you using it. Everything's looking pretty clean on the bottom of the machine, but obviously what I want to get to is the fans inside. So let's turn the machine on its side. Alright, so I've got no fancy studio setup. I've basically put a little cloth under the machine to save it on scratches, and I'm going to be doing this at my main desk. Basically you want to have the machine facing this way with the logo in the top corner, and you want to lift this corner and kind of pull the plate that way, and that takes it out. And as you can see, there's quite a build-up of dust, and there's a lot of build-up of dust on the fan. So I'm going to put this down. I'm going to leave the base cover on, and then I'm going to turn the machine over and take this one off when I do that. So before I've done anything, I've gone and got my Shark vacuum cleaner. This is one that I have. I have this handy detailing attachment, and the idea being is that I'm going to vacuum around the fan to take all of the dust away and not let it fall into the machine. So with the machine inverted and the disk drive on this side, you literally want to lift this side and push down that way again, and that will remove this panel. Again, not too dusty, but give it a quick clean, and I will repeat the process on this side using my vacuum. There we go. The unit's all back together. All of these individual little intakes for the fan to circulate the air have been cleaned. Tiniest bit of dust there. As I say, not a high production video. I just wanted to share and show how easy it is to take the cases off and clean one of these consoles, which seem to be a magnet for dust. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Enjoy your gaming, and yeah, hopefully like and subscribe.
Yeah.